The laziest dinner hack. Rice cooker ramen flavored rice. $150 of rice, Japanese short grain. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. $50 of green onions. Slice into thin rounds. $40 of naruto or fish cake. You can skip it. Slice into rounds. $100 of pork loin. Cut into small pieces. One teaspoon of sake. One teaspoon of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. One and a half tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of somi shantan or your favorite bouillon. Half teaspoon of sugar. A dash of salt. 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Mix well. Add washed and well-drained rice. 220 ml of water. Add the sauce made earlier. Mix well. Add the seasoned pork. Spread evenly. Add the sliced green onions. Add the sliced naruto. Spread evenly. Place the pot in the rice cooker and cook on the regular white rice mode. Once cooked, mix well and serve in a bowl. Garnish with green onions. 今日の料理はラーメン味の炊き込みご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.